You might find this difficult to believe, but one simple cup prepared from a spice already sitting in your kitchen cabinet has the potential to help your body regain strength and confidence, even after the age of 60. This spice is the humble clove. If you are a man who has noticed lower energy levels, slower blood flow, or a quiet loss of vitality, this message may completely transform how you view your body. Because when prepared in the correct way, this ancient spice does more than flavor food. It stimulates your blood flow, strengthens your nerves, and reignites your natural male drive. Stay until the end of this video because you will learn exactly how to prepare clove water for maximum absorption, how to avoid the most common mistakes that destroy its power, and how to rebuild your energy from the inside out. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your age group so we can tailor future videos specifically for your needs. Now let us begin. I am Dr. Jennifer, a board-certified urologist with over 20 years of experience helping men restore their strength, circulation, and confidence through natural, science-backed methods. I am not here to sell supplements, devices, or synthetic boosters. I am here to show you a natural way to bring back energy, drive, and performance by understanding what your body needs to heal itself. As men grow older, many begin to feel less energetic, experience slower recovery, and sense a gradual decline in vitality. This is not weakness or failure. It is biology. Your blood vessels become less flexible, your nerves send signals more slowly, and your hormone levels start to decline. But none of this is permanent. The body is capable of repair, and nature has provided us with tools to support that process. One of those tools is the clove. Many men believe that once energy and drive are gone, there is no natural way to restore them. That belief is false. Your body does not simply stop functioning with age. It adjusts, and when given the correct support, it can rebuild itself. The problem is that most men target only testosterone levels, ignoring the two other systems that matter equally: blood circulation and nerve sensitivity. Without these, no amount of hormone support will help. Cloves address all three. They help your blood vessels relax, allow oxygen-rich blood to reach your nerves, and support the enzymes responsible for testosterone production. These are not empty claims. Modern medical research has repeatedly confirmed this connection between clove compounds and male vitality. Cloves contain a natural compound known as eugenol. Research published by the National Institutes of Health and reviewed by Healthline has shown that eugenol functions as a vasodilator. This means it relaxes your blood vessels, helping oxygen and nutrients travel more efficiently through your system. The same research notes its anti-inflammatory effects, which are essential for maintaining vascular health. Another component, manganese, plays a critical role in the production of testosterone by activating enzymes within the testes and liver. Studies from the Cleveland Clinic indicate that men with sufficient manganese levels have healthier reproductive hormone profiles compared to those with deficiencies. In addition, clove antioxidants fight oxidative stress, protecting cells from the gradual damage that accelerates fatigue and weakness. When blood flow slows, oxygen delivery decreases, and your tissues begin to starve. This leads to fatigue, slower recovery, and reduced nerve sensitivity. Eugenol helps prevent this. It relaxes smooth muscles within the arteries, improving circulation naturally. At the same time, its anti-inflammatory effect lowers internal swelling, restoring flexibility to your vessels. When this occurs, your nerves receive more oxygen, transmit signals faster, and respond more effectively to stimulation. Manganese, on the other hand, fuels the enzymes that convert cholesterol into testosterone, maintaining healthy hormonal balance. Together, these processes create a steady state of energy and responsiveness. Not through artificial stimulation, but through natural repair. Now let us translate science into action. Here is how to prepare clove water correctly. Take 1 cup of water, about 200 milliliters, and add 5 whole cloves. Place them in a small pot, cover it with a lid, and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. Keeping it covered is crucial because eugenol evaporates with steam, and an uncovered pot will lose its active compounds. After boiling, remove it from heat, but do not uncover it yet. Let it rest for 2 hours so the oils fully dissolve into the water. Strain it into a glass when it reaches room temperature. Drink it slowly 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. This timing allows your body to absorb and circulate its compounds during your natural repair phase at night. For best results, continue this ritual every night for at least 4 weeks. Most men begin to notice stronger digestion, warmer extremities, and deeper rest within 2 weeks, followed by gradual improvements in mood, energy, and physical confidence. Many men destroy the benefits of cloves by boiling them for too short a time, leaving the pot uncovered, or consuming them immediately after meals. Others make the mistake of chewing raw cloves or taking excessive quantities, which can irritate the stomach or liver. Remember, natural medicine is about balance, not force. A small, well-prepared dose is more effective than overconsumption. If you take medication for blood sugar or blood thinning, speak with your doctor first, because cloves can enhance these effects slightly. Used wisely, this habit is entirely safe and effective. If you have reached this point in the video, it means you are serious about regaining your strength and confidence. Many men lose hope after 60, believing that aging has permanently taken their vitality. But your body never forgets how to heal. It only waits for you to give it the right conditions. Each evening that you prepare this cup of clove water, you are telling your body that you are ready to repair, ready to restore, and ready to feel alive again. I have seen hundreds of men rebuild their energy using this method, not because of miracles, but because they chose consistency and care. I want to hear from you now. Write in the comments below which challenge you face the most. Type 1 if you struggle with performance or drive. Type 2 if fatigue and recovery are your biggest issues. And type 3 if you want more videos about prostate or testosterone health. I personally read every comment, and your feedback decides what we create next. In my next video, I will reveal one nightly routine that improves circulation even more effectively than clove water. It is completely natural and supported by clinical research. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss what comes next. I am Dr. Jennifer, and I remind every man watching this, your best days are not behind you. They begin the moment you choose to reclaim them. Take care of yourself, and good night.